Hi everyone, my name is Amra and today we are making a mermaid card. It is super sparkly, has a lot of color, and mine says happy birthday on it. On the inside it looks like this. A lot of color here too. I chose to use the same mermaid scale for the frame all the way around and two seashells for the corner there to add some sparkle. So this is what it looks like, and let's see what we need to make this. We have the purple paper, super sparkly, that is going to be in the background. We are using the mermaid scale paper that goes on top of the purple one. And then the folding card is a very heavy cardstock to make the whole card super sturdy. I am using a happy birthday sentiment, but you can use whatever you like for your card to say. I cut that out with the Spellbinders die cutting machine. We have the top layers of the mermaid tails here and the mermaid tails themselves. I cut those out with the Cricut Maker. I chose to use the same purple color for the seashells, and I'm adding a background to them, which is the same as the top layer for the mermaid tails. So it's gonna look like this, and these were also cut out with the Cricut Maker. I am also using a foam sheet for the mermaid scale paper, just to give it some dimension, and also some foam strips for the mermaid tails. For the inside, I'm going to be using the same purple paper for the little strips here for the whole frame on the inside of the card, and this is also where I'm going to be adding the seashells. Alright, so we have all of our pieces, so let's start with the purple paper and the folding card. When you glue this purple paper on, make sure it is flush with the folding edge of the card. And my folding card is a little too big, so I have to trim it. I'm using the double-sided tape here to stick this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will see you in a little bit. Alright, so this is what the purple paper looks like on the folding card. It is super sparkly. Let's grab our mermaid scale paper and the foam sheet, and we're gonna stick these two on together. The foam sheet is just slightly smaller than the mermaid scale paper. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these together, and I will see you later. Alright, so this is what the front looks like so far. And let's grab our small pieces, all the mermaid tails and the seashells. And I'm using just regular liquid glue here. I've poured it into this little bottle just because it has a very fine tip. And it just helps me control how much glue comes out. Especially when you're working with really thin and small pieces like these mermaid tails, it's nice to have a fine tip on your liquid glue. I use this wooden stamp with some washers to weigh the pieces down just to make sure that they adhere very well. I'm gonna go ahead and glue all of these pieces together, and I'll see you when I'm done with that. Here we have all of our pieces done. I'm organizing the back row of the mermaid tails, and I'm just aligning them with the grid of the pink mat because the two left and right mermaid tails here, they are sticking off of the edge of the paper a little bit, and I'm just making sure that they do the same, that they stick out the same amount. And this is how I want my mermaid tails. I'm gonna use double-sided tape for this, so I will see you when I've glued these down. Alright, so the back row is all done. I am working with the front row right now, just placing them to organize them the way I would like to have it. Just placing them in the gaps here. You can organize however you like, obviously, make it your own. I'm gonna be using the foam strips for these pieces, not the double-sided tape. You use whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these down, and I will see you when that is all done. Alright, so the last little mermaid tail is going on right now, and this is what it looks like. Both of the mermaid tail rows are on the card now. I'm gonna use my happy birthday sentiment now. I'm gonna place them a little bit on the diagonal or like slanted like this, and again I'm gonna use the same, I'm gonna glue it down the same way that I did with the mermaid tails. I'm gonna use my liquid glue, and I will see you when that is done. Alright, this is what it looks like. Okay, grab your strips. Let's do the inside. We are almost done, guys. I place the strips on the long sides first, and as I stick them on, I cut them to the length they need to be. Then I do the short sides, and I'm also adding the seashells here. So I'll see you when all of that is done. Alright, placing the two little seashells here in the corner. The frame is all done. We are all done with the card. It is so sparkly, it is so colorful, and really perfect for any occasion. Thank you guys so much for checking out my tutorial today. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you on the next project.